One of the oldest risk management projects in history is Noah's Ark, found in the book of Genesis, chapters 6 to 9. God told Noah to build a massive ark to protect his family and animals from a worldwide flood. Let's look at the key project and risk management lessons Noah used to succeed. Step 1. Identify the risk. Noah understood the flood was coming and treated it as a real and urgent challenge. Step 2. Plan the resources, gathering animals of every kind, storing food and water, and preparing the right manpower to get the job done. God gave Noah exact dimensions for the ark. By sticking to the plan, Noah avoided mistakes and built something that could survive the flood. Step 3. Act early. Noah didn't wait for the rain. He finished the ark before the storm arrived. Even after the doors closed, Noah cared for everyone on board until the waters receded. Good projects don't end at delivery, they include aftercare. The Noah's Ark story shows us that great project managers prepare early, plan carefully, and follow the scope. Waiting until it rains is too late. If you enjoyed this, share it with a friend and subscribe for more project management tips from everyday life.